Hey folks, it's Ben back with you in the Midwest Model Shop today. We're going to do a very quick video touching on the Saucy jack, once again, specifically the premium sale set that's available for them. So, this is like take two. I did a previous video on the premium sale set for this kit, and it wasn't quite right, and I couldn't figure out why. And one of you very sharp individuals pointed out in the comments a month or so later that the premium sales set that I received for the Saucy Jack is actually meant for a different ship. That's why it didn't line up and match right. I reached right out to Chris at Vanguard Models. He was super apologetic. He realized, yep, those are the wrong ones. And he didn't have the right ones available because he'd lost his supplier because of reasons. So, well, I don't need them, so I sent them back to him. And we had a little exchange with all that worked out very well, I think, for me. And he's happy to have his sales back. Fast forward, just recently, one of you gentlemen picked up the Saucy Jack. You commented in one of the videos. I apologize, I don't remember your name. And you said you even managed to get the premium sale set for it. And I was like, there's a premium sale set available? Because at the time, I was talking to Chris, there wasn't. So I shot him an email. I didn't even look online. I shot him an email and saying, hey, if there's a set available, I'd like to buy these, please, for the Saucy Jack. And he said he apologized. He'd forgotten about me. He said, don't worry about it here. I'm going to put a set of them in the mail for you. So he now has a new provider of his premium sales set, a group, organization, whatever, in the Czech Republic. We're providing these. They are way, way better than the kit provided ones, and I think they may have been maybe better than the previous premium set that we looked at. So if you haven't seen our open box review of the Saucy Jack, make sure you go ahead and click on this video right here. That will take you to it. And yeah, real quick here, let's just open the box. I'll put the two sales sets out side by side so you can take a real quick look at them and see that they are worth it. I don't know what they cost because I didn't buy them. I did not buy them. And I didn't look to see what they cost, but I was willing to pay for them, and I would pay for them. I think that's the way to go. So that's it. Feel free to comment down below. Check the links down below to get to all of this stuff. And yeah, thanks. Let's take a quick look at it. Okay, here we are back with the Saucy Jack. Don't forget to check out the full open box review that we did of this kit. So on the inside here right away, here are the kit supplied sales that came with, and now we happen to have the for real aftermarket here premium sales kit that is offered by Vanguard Models. So this is what we're going to take a look at here today. All right, I'm not really sure there's any real comparison or comparing to be had here. These are the kit sales, and they are absolutely better than nothing. They don't hold a candle to the very nicely done premium sales set. So let's see, if we move in a little bit closer here, for example, you're going to see a very fine mortise scale, tightly woven piece of fabric. And this is the back side. You can see some of the stitching that has been done. We flip it over on the other side. It's nice and clean. Everything's folded over nicely and sharp. You got a couple of loose threads here and there, but you know, whatever. So this same piece, this is the kit provided one. More of a burlappy material. This might be a little bit more accurate, but it doesn't fit the scale. As you can see, they've really gone out of their way to try and secure the edges of the seam with I forget what kind of stitch this is, but not very good. They did run a little kind of a rope through here, which is nice, but we can sew in our own. On the premium ones, they're just a lot sharper. They're just, yeah, I mean, these are, I don't even know how much these cost. Like I said in the beginning, Chris sent these to me, and thank you very much once again for doing that, sir. I truly do appreciate it. But I offered to buy them. I said, hey, I heard you got them in stock there for sale. So, like I said, I would have bought these. And now having both next to each other, absolutely, I haven't even built the kit yet. I cannot not recommend these. This would be the way to go. I think The advantage too is now you can go ahead and you have a little something to practice on, or save this for something else. You know, use it, make some sort of cool little, I don't know what, but it's there, right? So this is what we're going to end up building when we start here. We'll start on this after the Duchess of Kingston is finished up. But yeah, these sails right here are going to make a huge contribution to that, and I think that they are totally worth your time. So down in the description will be links to all of this stuff, and yeah, check them out. All right, that's it. Short video, folks. We'll see you next time.